The next thing that we look at is the metacognitive conversation in your head. That is the dialogue that you have in your head that helps you to maintain the goal. The dialogue in your head that helps you filter some of your responses. The dialogue in your head that helps you plan behavior. The dialogue in your head that helps you reflect on what you've done. And the most important piece of this dialogue, well, one of the most important pieces of the dialogue in your head is that the dialogue in your head can help you to reduce stress. The dialogue in your head can calm you. And the dialogue in your head has the ability to enhance your working memory, which is moving short-term memory to long-term memory. So the dialogue in your head is very important. Research indicates that 47% of the time people are mindless. They're not in touch with the moment, what's going on. Adults, high-functioning adults. We're not talking about children who have a concentration problem or adults who have a TBI. Now, what they're measuring is the conversation in someone's head. So in order to be mindful, you need to have that conversation in your head, the internal dialogue. This is the exercise that I developed to engage, to strengthen, to create, if there wasn't one, an internal dialogue. I created about, let me think for just a minute, I want to give you the right number, about 500 paper and pencil exercises to habituate the internal dialogue and maintain internal dialogue. This is an exercise, a scattered exercise. You can see their images all over the page. And in the middle of the page, there's a square around a picture. And it says, at the top, it says, find the mistakes. And everyone loves to find someone else's mistakes. It's so much fun to find what someone else did that's wrong. And in the upper right-hand corner, we see same and different. And the instructions for this exercise were to identify all images that were the same color as the middle image. And we can see it's white. And someone might come along and say, oh, I want all, and you write in here white. And you circle, oh, I want all white images. Well, it doesn't matter if it's big or it's little. So I'm going to write the white, 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 white. Oh, here's the white one over here. Now, my trick is that this is the same shape, but we want white images. So this is an error of commission. I put this in the package and it's wrong. And so then here we have to cross this one out as well. Now, many students start doing this exercise and they say, oh, I've got it. Even adults, I've got it. Dave, you don't have to show me again. I get it. This is easy. You want yellow. And you say, fine, go ahead and do 10 exercises. And then they hand you the 10 pages and you have the opportunity to review those 10 pages and to identify whether or not there was a mistake. If there wasn't a mistake, just keep going on. They get harder and we go on to 2 variables and we go on to 1 variable the same and 1 different. Inductive and deductive reasoning. The key is to identify where there is a mistake, where there's an error, where there's a problem, and to correct that problem. But correct that in a way that engages the student. So identify if the problem is always that we tricked the student by maybe it's supposed to be yellow. Okay. And this one's not yellow. Oh, and I want this one yellow and this, I'm finished. Well, this is for example, this could be the third time that I tricked you. And this is the same shape, but it's not the same color. So they weren't using the voice in their head. You know, right, because they know yellow. They know right away. You know right away if they're using the voice in their head or not. And this is one variable, and of course the permutations involved in one variable the same, the permutations involved in one variable different. We don't have to go through all of those. You all understand that. And then we go to two variables the same. So now we want big yellow, and I encourage the students to put in the box, the center box, what they're saying in their head. I do